G'day folks, today I want to talk about taking action. You know, ideation without action is idiocy. Now, I come across so many filmmakers who have great ideas, but they don't take action on those ideas. And so these ideas never become reality. And it's the same with business tasks. So if you're sitting there worrying about maybe, a lack of work or some things you've got to be doing, try to avoid just pontificating, because procrastination will cripple you from taking any kind of meaningful action. I come across this all the time where, I set a task to a client and, they just kind of like, they put it off. So if you're putting things off just now, stop. Just pick the first thing on the list. Do one thing. And honestly, once you start getting some momentum, the rest will become easier. Talk soon.